Hi everyone, I am Nuralam. You are watching TechCron YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to send a WhatsApp message without saving phone number. If you have GB WhatsApp, you can send this message directly from a built-in function. Or if you are using genuine WhatsApp, you can do this with the help of your Chrome browser or any other browser. So let's get started. First, your browser and search here https wa.me slash and type a phone number where you want to send message. First of all, place your country code, then number. Here you will be redirected and then click on continue to chat. It will take you to the number to send a message and this number is not saved in my WhatsApp. Here you can send a message. If you have GB WhatsApp, you can do this with the help of a built-in function. Here I will show you how to do this with GB WhatsApp. Open your GB WhatsApp. Click on three dots on the top right corner and here you will see message a number. Here you have to type your country code and number, like for me plus and 2 and then click on message. Here you can see you can send a message even if the number is not saved. If you want to download this GB WhatsApp, you can get it from the link given in the description. Get more videos like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.